This week's top stories. Dual flush toilets waste millions of litres of water a day. 400 million litres of water are estimated to leak from UK toilets every day, due to leaky mechanisms in dual flush toilets and confusing flush buttons. Surveillance software to monitor home workers includes screenshot technology. Use of surveillance software, known as bossware, appears to be on the up, with products able to track keystrokes, mouse movements and even take random screenshots throughout the day. CHSA publishes advice on how to select the right cleaning products. Choosing which cleaning chemicals to use during a pandemic can be a difficult task. The Cleaning and Hygiene Suppliers Association answered the most common questions.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.